Ashok Gajapathi Raju garu.
Speaker, sir, there are two angles here. This is an extraordinary situation, sir. One is the leader of opposition has been, what do you call it, quartered, disseminated by name. That's a different matter. Besides that, there's an extraordinary situation, sir. Sir, you are pleased to suspend some of our colleagues.
We are not pleased, Andy. They were obstructing. That is the reason. We are
From
never
there they are
pleased.
saying-
We are never pleased.
From
pleased.
there they are saying with pleasure.
No.
You have heard them, I have also
Wrong.
heard them, sir.
See, it is only with heavy heart we suspend anyone from the who is obstructing the house. It is not. We are no one is pleased. Please.
Sir, I draw your attention to Kaul and Shakdar, page 947, General Rules of Procedure, sir. It is also not the practice for the Speaker to undertake an obligation not connected with his functions as such, and which is susceptible of leaving his conduct open to question, sir. Sir, I am very pained that your suspending these colleagues of ours with pleasure is really painful, sir. And in such an extraordinary situation, sir, it is imperative and necessary that you may kindly revoke it, sir. Sir, that power is available to you also in the proviso of 340, sir. Sir, first of all, these extraordinary situations arose because the Honorable Leader of the House decided that to expand his answer to a question, sir. We welcome a discussion on what he has brought. Sir, just as much as he has brought to the notice of the House, నేను కూడా మనవి చేస్తున్నాను అధ్యక్ష, అనుకో నేను బయట మా లీడర్ ఆఫ్ ద హౌస్ సత్య హరీష్ చంద్రుడు అన్నా చిన్న పిల్లలు కూడా నమ్మేవారు ఎవరు లేరు సార్ ఈ అధ్యక్ష ఈ రాష్ట్రం. అధ్యక్ష, తమర్పై పెద్ద బాధ్యత ఉంది. తమర్పై పెద్ద బాధ్యత ఉంది అధ్యక్ష. ఈ హౌస్ ని సక్రమంగా నడపడం మొదటి బాధ్యత. రెండోది ఏంటంటే ఇండిపెండెన్స్ అండ్ ఫ్రీడమ్ ఆఫ్ లెజిస్లేటర్ షుడ్ నెవర్ బి కర్టెల్డ్. అది దృష్టిలో ఉంచుకుని తమరు ప్రవర్తిస్తారని ఈ కాంట్రవర్సీస్ లో దిగకంట ఈ మోనోలాగ్స్ ప్రత్యేకంగానే గౌరవ్ ముఖ్యమంత్రి గారు చేసిన మోనోలాగ్ అది తమరు తర్వాత క్వశ్చన్ అవర్ ఇస్ ఓవర్ అన్నారు. I do not believe that a senior legislator of the standing of Rajshekar Reddy Garu does not know the rules. I do not believe that he is unaware of parliamentary practices. I fully feel that this house question hour has been totally hijacked and hijacked by the leader of the house. This is a shameful thing, sir.
Leader of the opposition.
This is a shameful thing, sir. Moreover, in the governor's address, he gives you a notice that he will raise the leader of opposition name, sir. When he answers it, has he given you such type of a notice?
Please, sit down.
You have not communicated a notice. In that absence of it, it is intentional. It is intentional to throw this house into pandemonium and to see that this house does not function independently and in the interest of the people, sir.
Right.
Sir, my request to you is, you may kindly direct him to behave as a parliamentarian, and you may kindly give an opportunity to the leader of opposition to come in for a personal explanation, as name has been called umpteen times without notice,
Without your
interruption
request,
of
I
yours.
said I will give an
This has been
opportunity
done.
to the leader of the opposition.